Hi guys, I've got another paper airplane to show. All you need is one sheet of A4 paper or letter size. You start by folding the sheet in half as precisely as you can. Those corners should meet nicely. And you unfold. And you fold one side to the middle. Then you do the other side. Just like that. Then you fold that bit. That should meet in the middle. And about 1 inch, just 1 inch there. Doesn't have to be exactly, but you can measure if you want. 1 inch or 3 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, roughly that. Just like that. Now it's a bit tricky. So you start with this, just like that. You fold just like that. Doesn't have to be right to the middle, like there's a gap, just like that. And once you think it's good, then you press just like that, and same with the other side. So the other side is it's easier because you have something to follow. So you can start with that. That way it's the same gap, and then you just match it just like that. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and even. Now you take that corner and fold it in. Make sure they're not like that, but all the way. So this should be even, and fold it to the middle. So just like that. Same thing with the other side. Just like that. Now you fold it just like that. Now you fold. Another slightly tricky, about 2 inches or 2.5 inches, or roughly that. You hold this bit, make sure it falls with it. So about that much. and you fold it all the way to the point like that, and again press quite hard. Then you turn over and do the other side also. If you don't hold this, it will just, it'll just run away. So just hold it, that way it folds. And again press. And the last bit, up to here, you will feel there's a hard bit, so that's why you stop and you can just fold it like that. That way you see better, and all the way to the end, just like that. And up to this, you'll feel as you can't actually, you wouldn't be able to fold it any further. Just like that. And one more time. Just like that. Turn around, and you can do the other side too. Now to see better, you can just do it like that, just to see better. Again, to the end, and up to here, up to this heart bit. One more. And that's it. Almost done. And you adjust. It should be 45 degrees each fold. Just like that. Just like that. And if you want, you don't have to, but looks better, probably flies better. These things, I actually use glue, but you don't have to. If you don't have a glue, it's okay. You can just put slight bit of glue there, and just press slightly. And that's it. This plane flies beautifully.